Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to set up an external domain at inos.com. So to do that, first you have to log into your GoDaddy account or maybe some other registrar where you have the domain, and go to the DNS section. Then on the other tab you can open your inos account. First of all, you have to go to domains and SSL section from the menu bar. Then here in the sidebar we have an option to set up an external domain. You have to click on that. Let's click on that and enter your domain name here. So I'm just copying that so that I don't make any mistake. Yeah, click on start setup. Choose your hosting account or hosting contact. So I'm going to set up in this one. You click on the inos name server and click confirm selection. Now you will get the name servers of inos that you have to add here. Let's click on change so that we can just save a few minutes. It is taking a little time to load. Let it load. Yeah, it is here. You have to copy one by one and paste it here. We can click on add name server to add the fourth one. Click save and it will ask to approve the request. Click on continue. It will take a little time, so let it update. For now you can click on use domain. It would take a few minutes to verify the DNS update, so you can recheck by clicking here if the DNS is updated. It is not yet updated, that's why it is showing the domain verification is pending. We can check again if it is done. It is not yet done. The another thing that you can do is you can simply type your domain name in whois.com/whois/unplugged.co.in, whatever the domain is. So here you will see that name servers are updated, but inos is taking a little time to show us the updates. It is a common behavior, so do not worry if it takes more than time. Well, I'm just pausing the video because it would just go on like that, and maybe you can check after an hour or something. It will show here as active. Then you can map it from the hosting. You can map your domain to the hosting. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thanks.